Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first open the phone dialer and we will start with the first code, with the quickest one, the shortest one. It's *pound or 6 pound. And this one, as you can see, will provide you with email number for your device. Then let's go to the second one, to the second code. It's *pound 1234 pound. And here you have the firmware version of your device and also model name. Let me go back. And the third code is test many, so let me enter *pound 7353 pound. And here you can check your device, you can test it, so let me pick for example melody. It's working, then vibration. It's working as well. Speaker. Dimming is working. Then you can check the camera, Bluetooth, dot mode, grid mode and some other sensors. So if you would like to test your device, simply enter this code and do it. And you can also test your Galaxy Grand 2 with some advanced options by tapping *pound or *pound. And here you've got the advanced test menu where you can check the display obviously, so check red, green, blue. Let me test vibration, receiver, dimming. They are working. Let me go back. Then you can also check the speaker. And it's working as well. The touch, sub key, black, front cam, sleep, mega cam, low frequency and all the other features that you would like to test. Let me go back. And now we will enter another code which will show us some more detailed information like network connection and service call info. So let me enter *pound 0011 pound. And here is the service mode, so as you can see, here you've got all the advanced info regarding your device. Now let's go to another code which will show us some more info about the battery, so it's *pound 0228 pound. And here you've got the battery status, so network, current value, average value and all the others. Let me go back. If you would like to go to the USB settings, just enter *pound 0808. It's 0808 pound. And here you have the USB settings. You can change the way your Samsung will be recognized and pick some other options. So let me go back. And then you can also open the advanced firmware version. So just enter *pound 2663 pound. And here, as you can see, you've got the detailed information. And let's go back. Actually, that would be all. So all codes for your device, you can check email, you can check some advanced info, you can test your device. So as you can see, those codes are truly useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.